In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on ChatGPT. Let's start right from your browser. Open it up and head to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. You'll see the official ChatGPT site appear in the results. Click through to open the website so you're on the main ChatGPT interface. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click that icon, and a small panel will open with options related to your account. From that panel, choose your account to open your account settings. This is where you can edit basic details, including your profile photo. On the account page, move your cursor over your current profile image. You'll see a small camera icon appear on or near the picture. Click the camera icon to begin updating your photo. This will open your computer's file picker. Now, choose the image you want to use as your new profile photo. A simple, well-lit headshot tends to look best, especially at smaller sizes. JPG and PNG files work well, and a square or nearly square image will minimize cropping. If your picture isn't square, don't worry. ChatGPT will let you preview how it looks and may allow some basic cropping or centering before you save. After selecting your image, you'll see a preview. Take a moment to check the framing. Make sure your face is centered and clearly visible, and that the background isn't too distracting. If the image looks good, go ahead and click Save to apply the change. Give it a moment to process. Your new profile picture should now appear in the lower left corner and across your account. If you're using ChatGPT in multiple tabs or devices, it may take a short time to update everywhere. A few quick tips to help you get the best result. Choose a high-quality image so it stays sharp, even when resized. Keep your lighting even, avoid heavy filters that can blur details, and aim for a clean background so the focus stays on you. If you're updating a work or school account, pick a photo that matches the tone you want to set. Simple and professional is usually a safe bet. And, of course, avoid images that contain sensitive information in the background. That's it, your profile picture is updated. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new look on ChatGPT.